Hey friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the color or the theme on your profile on Edge. Once you're on Edge, go ahead and click your drop down on the upper right and go to your profile, view your profile. And so you will be taken over to your profile. Now, in order to change your theme, you will see on the upper part here of this bar, you will see it's a edit theme. You click on that. And so from here, you can change your colors. So if I don't want this to have this color and want it to be more blue, I can go ahead and I can do that, right? And yeah, you can upload banners, you can change fonts, you can basically do all of these things that you want, right? Background, you can upload images or whatever it is that you want, right? I don't have something right now that I want to add there, but you get the general idea that you can add backgrounds there. So, for example, maybe I can say, Drew, this image, I can add it. As you can see, background, and you can see right there that it adds a background directly there. And so that's pretty much all that you have to do, guys. So that's pretty much how you can go ahead and basically customize or edit your theme on your Edge profile. So that's it. Go ahead and make all of those different changes. And once you're satisfied, that's it. You click save and you're good to go, guys.